in Outlook. Although you may be looking for a way to see your current password, Microsoft Outlook has designed its security features to prevent exactly that, ensuring your personal information stays secure. While you can't view your existing password for security reasons, I will guide you through the process of accessing your account and changing your password if necessary. First, let's get started by logging into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open up your browser and navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Here, you'll see the option to sign in. Click Sign In, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Outlook account. After entering your email, click Next. Once you are on the next page, input your password and then click Sign In to access your Outlook account. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Microsoft Outlook does not offer a direct function to view your password, and this is an intentional security measure. Revealing your password could potentially compromise the safety of your account. Instead, they provide an option to change your password if you suspect that your current one might be compromised, or if you simply want to enhance your account security by updating it regularly. To change your password, you'll need to navigate to your profile. Look towards the top right corner of the Outlook interface, where you'll see your profile icon or picture. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the My Microsoft Account option. This action will take you to another page dedicated to your account settings. On your Microsoft account page, you'll find various options related to your account management. Here, look for the option labeled Change Password. Clicking this will lead you to a form where you can enter your current password and then set a new password. Changing your password regularly is a good security practice. When creating a new password, aim for a combination that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong and secure. Microsoft often gives hints about the strength of your password as you type, so be sure to pay attention to those. Once you've chosen a new password that meets these criteria, submit it to finalize your changes. Now you've successfully changed your Outlook email password. Remember, regularly updating your password is a proactive step in maintaining the security of your account. And there you have it. While you cannot view your existing password in Outlook, the steps to change it are straightforward, helping ensure your email is kept secure and private. That's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you now feel more confident in managing your Outlook password settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.